We're Megan and Anna, a multicultural couple who love to travel around the world while sharing our experiences with awesome people like you. In this series, we'll be sharing unforgettable moments from our first time visiting Asia. Don't miss out on this epic adventure as we travel through the colourful and exotic Thailand, get lost in the vibrant chaos of Vietnam, and discover some of the coolest spots in modern Singapore. Now there's only one thing left to do, let's go to Asia. So today was all about the elephants and visiting an ethical elephant sanctuary. Now I want to touch on the word ethical. It's super important that when visiting any elephant sanctuary in Thailand, you do your research before visiting. This means the elephants are not harmed or forced to interact with us, and they're free to roam about the sanctuary as they please. Now today we chose an ethical elephant sanctuary called Chai Lai Orchid, but first we had about an hour ride over to the sanctuary. So we've just arrived here at Chai Lai Orchid. Now we have just met our awesome tour guide Roberto. Now he's going to be taking us for the day, and on the agenda is bamboo rafting, a walk through the forest. We're going to feed the elephants. We get to go to a waterfall. I am so excited for this day to start. It is absolutely boiling here today. So it's about like 36 degrees today. So lots of water, lots of sunscreen. On that note, let's enjoy this awesome elephant sanctuary day tour. The first activity of the day is we're going to go bamboo rafting down the river. Now this should take about 45 minutes. Apparently the river is like really beautiful. We're going to see some things along the way. It's going to be very, very relaxing, and the water is cold because it is boiling right now. This is the bamboo beside me. Let's go rafting. So as we're just cruising down now, we've just spotted some elephants right beside the river. Oh my god, they are amazing. Oh, we're doing a poo-poo.
And it's so amazing because again we're just going down the river and we can spot another elephant in there just along all the way that we're going, and they're so cute. We get to see them very close, but we need to respect whatever they're doing. So they're standing out of the water, maybe we'll see some in the water, and we're just gonna have to wait and see.
The baby elephant just completely sprayed us with water. That was so cute. Thank you for my crown. Hey, looks pretty good. Yeah. So we've just finished the bamboo rafting and we got gifted these beautiful crowns because we're in the jungle, in the Chiang Mai jungle. Now we're going to drive back and we're going to do a bit of a hike, and he's going to cook us some jungle lunch before we actually get to play with the elephants this afternoon.
Princess Anna, thank you very much.
raft, we've just quickly come down here and Roberto's actually going to prepare us some lunch. Now he's going to give us a Thai cooking class. An amazing thing already is that we have like these bamboo spoons that he's like handcrafted this morning. I'm sure this is going to be the most tasty meal, and I'm excited to see like how they traditionally cook in Thailand as well. He's got some like leaves and some like bamboo cups that he's made. He is the best tour guide ever. Here I have our food. We've got pumpkin and mushrooms and salt and some chicken powder in here, and it's being cooked inside the bamboo with some like fresh water, and then this is called a 2-leaf on the top here as well, and it's going to cook for about 1 hour on the open fire. Yay!
And while we're cooking on the jungle, everyone has to help. Megan helped with the vegetables, and I have the sticks for the barbecue. Here goes the chicken. Just gonna be guarding that until he's ready to put our chick on.
Roberto's just cooking the food for us now and just put the chicken onto the fire, but it's so nice to see like something so natural and to see like the cooking still done these ways. Like the word that Roberto used was original, like bamboo, fire, like you just need a skewer to like cook the amazing chicken. Like it's just so nice to know that we don't need all of these fancy things to make good food, and like sometimes you forget that because we're like so civilized now, and it's really nice to see a different way, like an original way of cooking again, and I'm sure it's going to be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to taste this food. So our jungle lunch is ready, and you can see here the pumpkin inside of the bamboo. And we have our little jungle forks. This is like a little spoon that Roberto's carved out of the bamboo. Isn't it so cool? And I'm going to taste this wee pumpkin here. Oh my god, that is absolutely amazing. The flavour and the taste is so good. Nice and fresh, you know. He just said that chicken was alive this morning, by the way, and you can taste it how fresh it is.
Yeah, you take your rice. You can eat soup with your rice.
The rice?
Yeah.
Fried rice?
Yeah, you have to eat soup. Pour the soup with your rice. Eat it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You can open your rice and put soup. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So we also have some fried rice here as well. And Roberto was just saying you put the pumpkin and the kumara mix in here to make almost like a rice soup. Yum. Oh, it's so good.
And we are off to the waterfall. So now it's about 20 minutes from the spot we stopped for lunch. We're gonna have a quick walk, but it's so nice because our tour guide, Roberto, apart from being amazing, he sings for us, you know, he makes everything so much fun. He cooked for us, and now on the way, he's been giving us so much insight, you know, showed us massive spiders, and also told us that elephant poo-poos are actually recycled to be paper poo-poo. So if you didn't know, here it is. We are also some culture here for you. In the jungle, tonight. How are you doing there, Queen Elizabeth? we've just arrived at the waterfall and we're about to go for a swim. It is so needed because of the heat today. I can't wait to jump into that water. Woo!
Now I'm all fresh from that quick waterfall dip, it was finally time to head down to the river to see the beautiful elephants.
Oh my goodness, this is absolutely amazing. I'm just in the water with the elephants here and I was feeding them bananas and they were like coming with their little snouts like right to me. This is so cool, I love it.
After an incredible experience playing around with the elephants in the water, it was time to head up and start feeding time. But while we walked up, we also learnt some interesting facts along the way. We learned elephants actually don't have sweat glands in their skin, so they sweat through their nails. And most elephants also have a best friend, which is called their guan in Thai. They split food with them, travel with them, and talk to each other. So first up, we made the elephants daily vitamin balls, which are made up of banana, cane sugar, salt, rice shell, and a date-like fruit. We mashed this up into one big ball and it was time to get feeding.
I'm making the elephants vitamin balls.
You do every day, big muscle. Isn't it? That's what it's for.
There
you go, super woman.
muscle.
Yay!
Just leaving the elephants now. We got to feed them bananas and like their vitamin balls and everything, and they're like so big but they're so gentle as well. Like you said to them like bon bon, and then they like open their mouth and then you can see their like big tongue, and oh, it's just the coolest experience. Like, and you can tell that the elephants are like really happy here and that, because if they want to go swimming they can, if they want to get out they can. Like, it's just such a nice experience. I've had the best day today.
And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!